So welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is keeping safe. Today I'm going to be making a really simple and easy potato, or we can call it an aloo samosa, and this is going to be a really easy and simple recipe. So let's begin. So I have 4 medium size potatoes which I have pre-boiled. Going to just mash these up. These are now nicely mashed up. I'm going to now add some coriander, 1 green chilli. So I have some spices here. So I have red green chillies, crushed chillies, garam masala, cumin powder, salt and whole cumin, and this is all in 1 teaspoon each. So I'm just going to pop this in, give this a mix. So the ingredients is now nicely mixed in. So I've just got some regular tortilla packet. I've taken one out. I'm going to cut half of this, just slice it in half like so. So I have pre-made a paste which is made with flour and water. So once it looks like a paste, this is the right consistency. So we're going to join our tortillas up. So I'm just going to fold my tortilla, and with a brush I'm just going to brush over the area where we're going to fold. So now we have a pocket. We're going to fill up our pocket now. So now we're going to just seal and then we're just going to close this up. So we just carry on the process. And here we are, our finished samosas. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks guys for watching.